Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hi, how the freaking heck are you? It's been so long since I've made a video. What's going on? I guess the world decided to fall apart since the last time that I saw you people, but we're here, we're kicking, we freaking made it. There is a light at the end of the tunnel, I promise. Just keep on keeping on, people. Today's video, I am just showing you this really nice little glowy summer look, little nude piece, get you in your summery feels. Also, not using a whole lot of makeup today because why are you gonna waste your makeup in a quarantine, people? Why? So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, I feel like my routine has changed a lot, so we're just gonna go from beginning to end on this. Okay, so I've already done my brows. So what I'm gonna use for my primer today is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. And just put a little bit on my finger. That's the hack for the day, is prime, powder. You ready? You're gonna have, I'll just show you what it's gonna look like. Okay, and I'm gonna be trying out a new foundation today. It's the CoverGirl Clean Fresh. It's like Skin Milk. That's what it says, Skin Milk. So we're gonna put that on. I'm gonna try it anyways. This is the lightest shade. It's Fair 520. And I'm just using my Morphe Y6. I'm gonna just go in there. Kind of has a weird smell, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, now I'm just gonna grab my blending sponge and first I'm gonna blend in what I've already laid down and get rid of any of those brush marks and just smooth everything out, and then I'll grab a little bit more and get closer around my eyebrows. Okay, I'm not mad at it. It's a super like light coverage foundation, which I'm not mad at. It's just not my usual, but I like it. It feels really good actually. It doesn't feel like I have any makeup on. It's super lightweight. I like it. Okay, I'm not going to be using concealer today because I don't feel like I really need any. I'm not going out. I'm not living that kind of life right now. So immediately I'm just going to set my forehead with some powder because that is the foundation that I just don't want moving around. Setting into my freaking wrinkles. And I like to use a smaller brush for my setting powder right now. I'm using the E48 by Morphe. And I like this because it allows me to get into the smaller parts of like my face. So right in here by my nose and underneath my eyes, making sure that I'm getting everything that I want covered. Okay, so I've only set on my face where I would usually do concealer. So under eyes, right here around my nose, and in the center of my forehead. I'm now gonna grab my cream contour palette by Anastasia and use the center shade. Don't judge me. Okay. Get all my little baby hairs out of the way, and I'm just gonna dot that on there. Okay, my camera stopped working anyways. I'm just going to about the center of my cheekbone here because when I blend it, it's gonna come down anyways, and I don't wanna just have like a big old mud mark on my face. Now I'm just gonna use whatever is left over on my brush and take it up here in my hairline. And then I'm gonna grab my sponge and just start blending. Okay, now that my cheeks are done, I'm gonna pick up the Morphe E62, which was created by Sister James Charles for his Morphe collection, specifically for contouring your nose. So if you don't have this brush, I would highly recommend buying it. You don't have to buy the kit either, you can just buy it as a single brush. Again, Morphe E62, buy it. Okay, picking up my sponge, I'm just gonna blend that out. Okay, once I got that blended down, I am just gonna now set the rest of my face. Okay, so using Physicians Formula, let me pick it up. I wasn't sure if I was gonna use this, so I already put it out, did half my face with it. I'm using the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Dewy Blush Elixir. And I was like, oh, that might be a little dark for me right now because I'm super pale. But actually it looks very nice. So I'm just gonna, I squirted some out on the back of my hand. A lot comes out clearly, so I just kind of smushed it around. I barely have anything on my finger, and I'm just gonna tap it right. I think it's very nice and soft and glowy. Okay. Okay, so now that I've just kind of pressed that onto my face, I'm gonna pick up, what am I doing now? What am I doing? I've lost my train of thought, just like I've lost everything else. Okay, now that that is done, I'm gonna pick up my setting spray, and I'm using right now the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. And oh, the mister on this thing. So good. This is so good. All right, I am using my Nude Mood Color Pop palette today. I'm gonna use Bare to Wear to start with. And I'm just gonna pop that right onto my transition area. Just gonna put that all over my eyelid. I'm gonna use just a little bit of Au Naturel, and I'm using the JS6. Please ignore Josie's noises, I'm sorry. Yes, I'm talking about you. And I'm just gonna pop a little bit right here into my crease. With that, I'm just going to use my Morphe M438 and kind of dust up under my eyes, get rid of any fallout. No, I just broke a shade. I didn't really break it, I just put a scratch in it. Okay, now I'm going to use my secret weapon for a glowy day, and it is the Urban Decay Space Cowboy Pressed Eyeshadow. Oh my god, I'm such a YouTuber. And I am just gonna use my middle finger and pop that right into the center, my inner corner. And then I'm just gonna bring it up onto my eyelid. And I'm using the Milk Kush mascara from my eyes, from my eyeball. Okay, now staying in theme with the nude, I'm gonna use my freaking go-to nude lip right now, KKW Beauty. Watch, just watch. yeah, bitch, that's my nude. Okay, both of these are, okay, so this is the lip liner in Nude O. I don't know why I said it like that, Nude 0. And the cream lipstick in Nude 1. It's now time for the final step. I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna use my Kylie Sunday Brunch. This is one of her newer shades, newer highlighters. I think it might be the newest shade. I'm very confident in saying that, but I know that I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Okay. Using my Morphe M501, I'm just gonna go right into the Sunday Brunch. Okay, and then using a little flat packer on the nose. Okay, you guys, that is it for this video. This was just a super simple dry skin. It's just a super simple, summery, glowy bitch looking ass thing. Guys, I told you I hate doing this. I really don't know how to do an outro or an intro. I have to do one of those. Oh my god. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for sticking around. I know that it's been so long since I posted a video, but I'm here, I'm back, and we're gonna freaking party on, people, okay? So, like, subscribe, and I promise I will see you guys so soon. Thank you, bye.